This is the Digital View Pro Monocular Kit to assist low vision individuals to better enjoy activities. It comes complete with the Digital View Monocular, which is a digital monocular. The monocular comes with a tabletop stand, so it can be used to read small objects in small print on a tabletop. We'll show that later. It comes with the monopod that it can mount on for easy carrying around when you're out and about. It comes with a tablet, an Android tablet. The tablet also comes with a tabletop stand for the tablet. This tablet is used to wirelessly read whatever the Digital Pro View sees. The Android tablet also comes with a case, and of course the monocular comes with a case. This is Digital FOV's Digital Pro Monocular Kit. Perhaps you want to use your Digital View Pro to take a look at one of your garden magazines. Some of the print can be pretty small in these. Very easy. Very easy. Now I can make it as large as I need. Makes it easy to read magazines. Or you might want to take a closer look at some of the details of some of the flowers in your magazine. This way you can see the details very easily. So Digital View Pro is also very useful for low vision people to enjoy their hobbies. You can look at coins, you can look at electronics, you can look at anything you like to look at this small. It's very versatile. It's very portable. You can put it on any desk. You can take it on vacation with you. Digital View Pro. Digital View Pro also comes with a monopod, which makes it very nice for if you're sitting on vacation and you're overlooking a lake, or you're watching a game or something. You can just put it on the monopod and enjoy the view. Now, if you connect it to the tablet that comes with it, of course you have a much larger view of whatever you're looking at, which makes it very nice for low vision people. So you can have a nice up close view. And of course, with the tablet, you can always expand it or contract it. You can zoom in or out.